accurate forecast from the WATE 6 on your side storm team.
Talked about a cold front moving through the area earlier today. Saw a few very random showers that popped up, but the rest of the night's going to be quiet and relatively comfortable. Most probably open up the window, give the air conditioner a bit of a break, especially plateau counties up into southeast Kentucky. But the heat and humidity will return later in the week, as will rain chances later in the week. But most stay dry through the middle part of the week. Take a live look outside right now. This is Crossville downtown, looking south along Main Street. All quiet. Earlier this evening, the flags, tops of the trees were moving quite briskly as the drier air was coming in behind the cold front. Now the wind has settled down a little bit. Temperatures continue to drop off. A very comfortable 67 right now in Crossville, 69 in Wartburg, 68 for Morristown, 70 in Newport and Gatlinburg, and 73 in Maryville. Most are going to be in the low to mid 60s overnight tonight. I wouldn't be surprised if there are a few areas that dip down into the upper 50s, maybe in Southwest Virginia or back along the plateau. But regardless, should be a nice early start to our Tuesday. About the only concern would be some patchy fog. I don't think it'll be everywhere, but watch out, especially near some of the waterways. The fog could be locally dense. So if your travel plans take you along a waterway, a river, a creek, a lake, there could be some fog first thing on Tuesday morning. Otherwise, a glorious afternoon, a mix of sun and clouds, low to mid 80s. Again, 86 in Knoxville. We were there today, which is 2 degrees below average, but the biggest difference tomorrow is lower humidity values. That will also lead into a pleasant start Wednesday morning, low to mid 60s once again. Probably the coolest morning that we'll see this week, including 64 here in Kingston, 60 Oneida, Middlesboro, and Jonesville, Virginia, and 63 in Gatlinburg. A little bit warmer Wednesday. Notice the mid to upper 80s. A little more humid as well by the time we get to the afternoon, but still looks mainly dry across the area. By the time we get to Thursday, yes, temperatures are a couple degrees cooler or less hot, if you want to say, but it's mainly because of cloud cover and increased moisture. Higher moisture content, the slower or harder it is to warm up. But regardless, the 86 will feel pretty similar to the 88 that we'll see on Wednesday. Makes sense? So even though it's a couple degrees cooler, it's still going to feel equally as warm or maybe as humid. In fact, as we go later into the weekend, look at the heat index values, what it's going to feel like. We're talking mid 90s here. Shy, yes, of heat advisory criteria, which is 105 or higher, but you can see the trend of the more humid air mass starting to move in late week into the weekend. Just a reminder again that yes, it is still summer. Also, we'll see those rain chances go up by then as well. But tonight's quiet, partly cloudy, a little bit of patchy fog, down to about 66 degrees. But as long as we're holding on to that north or northeasterly component to the wind, it's pretty comfortable, and that will be tomorrow. 86 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. When the overnight lows get into the upper 60s, close to 70, that's when it's a little more uncomfortable out there, and that's what we'll see from Thursday into the weekend. That's also when we'll start to see some rain chances return. Right now it looks like Thursday, Sunday, Monday are slightly better chances of those pop up, mainly afternoon and evening storms.
I think you can